Welcome, my name is Philip King. Before we begin, I would like to ask a favor from you. If you like our videos, then please click on the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Okay, let us begin. In this video, we are going to make giant posters. This is very cool, and very easy. As far as equipment is concerned, all you will need is a printer, some paper, the free software mentioned here, and a little patience. If you have a standard type printer, almost any type or make will do. With the addition of a little bit of software you can download free of charge from the internet, you can make your own giant posters. The hardest part of the process is probably hanging the finished poster on the wall. The process we shall employ is generally called tile printing. This process utilizes a specialist piece of software to slice your poster photo into segments. Each segment will fit the paper size your printer is capable of printing, A4 for example. The software we will use for this demo is PosteRazor, the link is below the video. Other applications do a similar job, and the links to those are also listed below the video. PosteRazor runs locally on your machine. It is available as a Windows, an OS X and a Linux version. It is an open source, GNU licensed project hosted on sourceforge.net. As I said earlier, the PosteRazor cuts an image into pieces. These pieces can then be printed out and assembled as a large poster. As input, the PosteRazor takes a raster image in any of the following formats. The resulting poster being saved as a multi-page PDF document. Okay, let's make a poster. The first task is to download the application from SourceForge. Select the version you require and download it to your computer. You'll notice that Windows users can choose between two versions. Version 1 is a standard Windows executable with integrated installer and uninstaller. Version 2 is a zip archive. You must extract this file to a folder. The contained PosteRazor executable can then be run directly, without the need of a Windows install. On this occasion, I'm going to use the zip archive. Save the file to your computer. I'm just going to save the file to a folder on my desktop. With the file downloaded, unzip the file. I'm using yet another open source application for this, called 7-zip. 7-zip is a file archiver with a high compression ratio. You can use 7-zip on any computer, including a computer in a commercial organization. You don't need to register or pay for 7-zip, it's free. To open the zip file, right-click on the file. Select the 7-zip application from the menu. And then select, Extract here. This will extract all the files from the zip file to the folder. Run the PosteRazor executable file to start the application. The PosteRazor application will open. If you look in the bottom left-hand corner, you will see the Settings button. Clicking this will give you the opportunity to set some of the basic parameters. Change things to suit your requirements, and click OK when ready. Now it's time to load the image you want to enlarge. I'm selecting this traditional image of a beautiful Asian woman. In step 2 you define the printer paper format. If your printer uses A4 sheets you can leave everything in step 2 as it is. In step 3, you get to set the image tile overlap, size and position. This overlap helps you assemble the poster easier. 1 cm is a good overlap, so I'll leave the default setting. In step 4 you determine your poster size. You can set an absolute size in pages or %. I'm just going to set the image alignment to center. The default setting will do for everything else, that's 2 pages in height. The last step is to save the poster as a PDF file, so click the Save Poster button. And enter a file name. The PDF document is opened automatically. When you are ready, print the PDF pages. When that's done, use some scissors to trim any excess from the pages. Now use either glue or packaging tape, sellotape or scotch tape, to assemble the poster. These are my pages ready to glue. Remember, you have a substantial overlap, so you don't need to be too accurate with your cutting. Just be accurate with your gluing. I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. If you did, then please click on the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. You should also check out the King Solutions website, the links are below the video. See you soon, and thanks again for taking the time to view this video.